I've got this SSD and I'm gonna put it in my computer. I already have 2 drives in there. I feel like privileged in a way to have two SSDs in one computer. Like, that's insane. Who even does that? Rich people? But I'm out of space almost, and this one is salvaged from my friend's dead computer. So like, gotta put it in there. This right here is, I don't know, it's an Inman case. It's the 301. That's my Samsung SSD, and in this empty space below it, where you can see that green thing is, that's where the new one is going to go. I just flipped over my computer and look at these dust bunnies. Look, I haven't cleaned these out since I got my computer, I don't think. There's fans down there that suck in dust, and that's straight from the floor. Wow. I'm gonna have to steal this screw from my other SSD. Maybe I can. Oh, never mind. Actually, that one is kind of bending out now. Do I want to do that? Yeah, sure. Why not? Okay, well, the only available SATA ports are under the GPU, so I'm gonna have to take the GPU out. Wow. This is my Gigabyte GTX 1080 right here. He's been serving me well for the past year or so, maybe 2. Alright, now what I think I'm going to need to do is take the SSD out, feed the SATA cable through, and then put the SSD back in. So then it's already plugged in and I don't need to plug it in there because this is impossible. I need to reach my hands through this mess down right in through there. My finger can't even fit in there. Yeah, that's not happening. Now I'm remembering why the first one was so difficult to put in. Here we go. Okay, it's plugged in, but now I need to take care of this mess. It closed up again, but there's a huge bulge out the side. That's like the entire width of the side panel, just bulging out. But I mean that's how it was before. So I guess, what are you gonna do? I think I'm good. I think I'm good. Let's boot her up. Did you hear that? That was my speakers. That scared me so bad. I thought my computer just blew up. It's okay, it booted. It's not dead yet. Alright, my camera's almost dead, but I'll be recording on OBS as well, so. Alright, the plan for this SSD is I'm gonna offload. Alright guys, the camera died. The plan is offload footage from my cameras and stuff onto SSD2E. I should probably rename it to something like auxiliary. Alright, I changed my mind. I'm just gonna leave it empty for now, at least. I might come back to it, but it's just gonna be an empty 110 gigabyte drive until I need more storage, like completely. Like, I'm out of storage on my computer. But for now, it'll just be like I can do whatever I want with it, and then when I'm done with that, clear it off, move it to the other drives. And yeah, that was my very exciting video about my SSD. It's not even new or anything. It's not cool. It's just an SSD. But yeah, thanks.